Oh, fuck my life.
Ever know, young man?
Makeup. I'm honestly dying. God. Oh. Okay. I've taken 3 allergy tablets. Am I gonna take 4 allergy tablets? Like.
But I'm tickling his tummy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here, they can bite me.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Brittany.
Thank you.
Please.
No, 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 no. I love you. Bless you, dearest.
If you
I feel one coming on. Oh, it tricked me. Oh, dang it.
Well, Georgia, we got something from Mr. James Joseph, my ex-employer.